A to Z list of fruits and their health benefits. A is for apple. Apple improves bone health, treat asthma, prevents lung, breast, colon, and liver cancer. It is also the best fruit for diabetic patients. B is for blueberries. Blueberries makes memory sharp, improve digestive system, regulates blood sugar and cholesterol levels. C is for carrot. Carrots contain natural sugars which makes them sweet. They help to improve vision and prevent cancer. D is for drumsticks. Loaded with minerals and proteins, drumsticks purifies blood, cure respiratory problems and enhances sexual health. E is for eggs. Eggs are rich sources of selenium, vitamin D, B6, B12 and minerals such as zinc, iron, and copper. F is for figs. Figs contain many vital minerals, vitamin A, B1, B2 and also include variety of antioxidants and omega fatty acids. G is for grapes. Grapes are rich in flavonoids, lower blood pressure, prevents cancer, boost immune system and purifies blood. H is for honeydew melon. Honeydew melon promote healthy skin by aiding collagen production and tissue repair. It also helps in regulating blood pressure. I is for iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce are excellent source of vitamin A, K and C. They contain water and dietary fiber. Very low in saturated fat and cholesterol. J is for jackfruit. Jackfruit is a rich source of B-complex group vitamins. It lowers blood pressure, fights cancer, asthma, and anemia. K is for kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit are excellent source of vitamin C, K, copper, and dietary fiber. It promotes heart health, sleep and regulate blood pressure. L is for lemon. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C, that improves immune system and helps to cure common cold and obesity. M is for muskmelon. Muskmelons are rich in potassium which helps in regulating the blood pressure. Muskmelons also P to improve eyesight. N is for nectarine. Nectarine is a good source of vitamin A and C which helps the immune system. Promotes heart health and gives immediate energy. O is for oranges. Oranges promote heart health, immunity system, lowers cholesterol, rejuvenates skin, and prevents cancer. P is for papaya. Papayas are rich sources of antioxidant nutrients such as carotenes, vitamin C, flavonoids, vitamin B, and folate. Q is for quince. Quince has a rich source of anti-inflammatory properties, good for weight loss. Treats ulcers, nausea, and vomiting. R is for raspberries. Raspberries promotes brain power, heart health, prevent cancer, control diabetes, and improves digestion. S is for strawberries. Strawberries are excellent sources of antioxidants, vitamin C, and manganese, dietary fiber, iodine and folate. T is for tomatoes. Tomatoes prevents cancer, reduces blood pressure, controls diabetes, improves eye health, skin, and hair growth. U is for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit contains nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and calcium which are very essential for the body. V is for Victoria plum. Victoria plum speeds up metabolism, boosts digestive health, stops premature aging and increases immunity. W is for watercress. Watercress helps in providing nutrition, boosting immunity, cancer prevention, and thyroid support. It also fights against cancer. X is for Zigua, watermelon. Zigua prevents asthma and cancer. Regulates blood pressure, hydration, improves skin health and digestion. Y is for yam. Yam heals skin diseases, cure respiratory problems, supports female endocrine system, and it is also a rich source of antioxidants. And finally Z is for zucchini, courgettes. Zucchini is the best source of vitamin A, magnesium and dietary fiber that will keep your body in the best shape for long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Infotainment Splash and turn on the notifications bell to receive a mail whenever I publish another splashy video.